Good day all. I'm going to take us on task 3, which has to do with persons enumeration. As we all know, this task is dependent on the previous task, that is task 1, which has to do with updating and verifying all buildings within an EA and listing all households within each verified residential building. So for an enumerator to perform task 3, the EA has to be validated and approved. However, an enumerator should check the status regularly in preparation for the enumeration to make sure that his job has been validated. So when your EA is approved, the first thing you need to do is to refresh the EA. So let's go to the tasks and goals and go to the task 3. So the first thing we need to do is to come to the tasks and goals, and we all know that we have to click on the EA we're going to work on. So we have already selected primary healthcare Gishiri. Then we are all familiar with tax 1 and tax 2. So all now is tax 3. So the first thing you need to do is to refresh your EA. So when your EA is approved, the first thing you need to do is to refresh it, and after refreshing, then you can go ahead to open tax 3. However, internet connection is needed to perform this task. So let's refresh our EA first. So we can see our EA is validated and we have one household that has been refreshed now. So we can OK it, then we can come to open task. So you can see census enumeration. You are about to open this enumeration area for census and household enumeration and housing enumeration. Check yes to proceed. So we're going to check yes to proceed to enumeration. So when you check yes, it's going to take you to this page where you're going to see your the backdrop of satellite imagery, and you're going to see your EA boundary. So when you see your EA boundary, the next thing you need to do is to show building so that you can be able to see your verified building. So in the building, you can see, for the purpose of this simulation, you're going to see 2 buildings that has been approved. So in the 2 buildings, you can zoom in so that you can be able to see the buildings clearly. So the next thing you need to do now is to tap on whichever building you're going to start enumeration with. So now let's assume that we're going to take our first building, which is building number 1. So we were told that we have to provision our CS entry with the questionnaire first